All right. So in my last tutorial, I taught you how to sort the data. This is going to be kind of a tutorial on advanced sorting and then also filtering. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do if you want to filter the data, just go ahead and select that upper left-hand cell and then drag down so that you can highlight the whole data set. Okay. Then what you want to hit is the three dots. You want to hit this option with a little triangle and a line coming down. That's the filter option. Okay, and so then what that does is it highlights the whole data set and it creates a filter. And then what you should see at the top of your data set is three little lines next to each column. So next to the month, the date, the days of the week, the price. Okay, and so then I already showed you how you could sort by days of the week, but I'm just going to show an alternate way to do that. So if you select that little option and then you say sort A to Z, it'll sort, right, and group all the Fridays together, all the Mondays together, all the Saturdays together. So let's say, for example, you only wanted to look at the data from the weekend, right? So for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you didn't want to see any of the data for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Well, what you could do is you could click on the filter option here, and then you can kind of see the days of the week are checked down below here. So what you could do is take the check mark off of Monday, take the check mark off of Thursday, off of Tuesday, off of Wednesday, and then select OK. Okay, and so then what that will do is it'll take those days off, so you're only seeing the weekend. Right, so that's one option for how you could filter it. Let's say you wanted to take that filter off. Well, what you could do then is select the filter option, and you could go through and start checking those days, right? So here now I've checked Monday, and if I click OK, that'll put the Monday data back in there. If I want to put all of the days back in there, I can just click select all, and then what that'll do is that'll select all the options, and now all the data is back. So that's kind of a neat option. Makes viewing the data a lot easier. Okay, let's go back to revenue. Before I showed you how you could organize the revenue so that it was sorted from lowest to highest, and that's just you click that A to Z option. So let's do that. Okay, and so you can see the data is organized from lowest to highest. Okay, the other thing that you can do here though is if you select that filter option and you go filter by condition, and then you change the condition to greater than or equal to, and let's say you put a value in there. I'm going to put in 124. Hit return. And I don't know why it's doing all that weird stuff. Filter by condition. Greater than or equal to 124. And then select OK. And then what you should see is that it's only showing the revenues that are greater than 124. That's the first value in our table. Okay, so these are just some options for sorting and filtering the data set. It'll make viewing the data a lot easier, and it'll make it easier for you to see patterns. And of course, you can do this for any column. I just showed it for days of the week and revenue, but you could also do it for price, quantity sold, average temperature, precipitation, month, date, whatever you wanted to see. Okay, reach out if you have any questions on this.